Hi, everybody. We'll
Hello.
start in.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. We'll start in 5 or 10 minutes. I'm gonna wait for people to come in.
Thanks for your help earlier, Professor, with the emails helping me join the meeting.
Oh, sure, yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Chi. How are you?
Great.
Good to see you. Well, I'm not seeing you yet, but I will see you. I didn't record that part. Sorry, I didn't record a bunch of this. But let's go through. Let me share the screen again. I think it's legal for you guys to see each other's names because you would see them. Let me go here. Hold on a second. And there we go. All right, so we'll just go in this order since I know you guys have different orders of pictures on your screen. So if you're here, just say hi, I'm Hunt, and then tell us why you're taking the class.
Yeah, hello, my name is Hannah, and basically taking the class because I had an interest in coding, so I might as well start now, you know.
Okay. And then Kelly.
Hi, I'm Kelly. I'm taking the class to try and transfer with a graphic design associate degree.
Okay. Where are you trying to transfer to?
Maybe San Jose State.
San Jose State. Okay. Yeah, we have quite a few students that transfer to San Jose State. And we also have students that get a degree at San Jose State and they come back to Mission and take some of our classes because they're a little more hands-on. You know, it's kind of more theory-based, but we get both directions. Cool. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I actually go by Tony. So
Tony.
yeah.
So I think there used to be a way to change that in Canvas so that I could see that, but I think they may have turned that off. So
yeah, they turned it off.
They turned it
Been
off.
fine for the longest time.
Okay. So
Yeah.
I'll try to remember that. Is it Tony?
Hi.
Okay. So I'll try to remember that, and maybe I'll put it in a note somewhere. You can correct me if I mess it up.
No worries. Yeah,
And
I'm
then
taking the graphic design, but I'm sort of trying to do the web development because it'll help me for my work.
Okay. Yeah, that's true. I didn't mention that. A lot of people now, a lot of jobs now that you wouldn't think like need this kind of stuff, you'll get asked to do like, hey, could you update the web page? Right? And you're like, I guess so, right? So yeah, definitely helps with that. So that's good. Nicholas around.
Hello, I'm Nick. I'm trying to build more concrete skills for employment too.
Okay. Are you already working in design or something, or?
I'm a design studies major from San Jose State.
Oh, right now.
No, I graduated.
Oh, you graduated.
Yeah, so I came back to get more skills.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Like I said, we got them both ways, so that's good. Sarah.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm really interested in product design, but I've only ever done like the physical stuff. So I wanted to learn more of the digital part of that with websites.
Okay. By product design, what kind of product design did you do?
Like engineering, design.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Is Miriam here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Mariam. I'm taking the class to start to going to the UX UI design field.
Okay, good. Are you taking the UX class right now or?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, there is another class. It's GDS 70 or GDS 70, which is the UX class. And that will help with this class, and this class will probably help with that class. And people take them in different orders, but it's fine to take them both at the same time too. Yeah. Chi.
Hey.
Hi, how are you? I know you, so I know what you're all about. Is it Yutung? Not. Oh, you are here. Okay, I see you. I think you're muted. There you go.
Hi, my name is Ritang, and I want to get a web development certificate.
Web development. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Alina.
Hi, my name is Alina, and I was interested in information science, but I need some background experience with web design.
Okay, cool. Is it Chaifel? There you go.
Oh, Professor, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes. I am taking this class. Well, I started as a year and a half ago. I wanted to be Python developer, and then I took some classes, and along the way, I now decided that I want to be eventually a full stack developer, and the base is this class. I need to know HTML, CSS. So I'm here.
Yeah. Okay.
And I'm definitely motivated.
All right. Sounds good. Yeah, I didn't mention that, but I did mention we're doing HTML and CSS, right? And then the three things that you kind of need for front end are those two, and front end development is those two in JavaScript, right? And then back end is other things, Python and Ruby and all kinds of stuff. And when I say front end and back end, I know some of you guys know what that is and some don't probably. Front end is kind of what the user sees, like the web page itself and interactions and the design and things like that. And the back end is more talking about databases and where the information is coming from, pulling from. So so some people will talk about full front end developers and back end developers. So yeah, that's good. So yeah, you're right. This is the basis, and I think there's quite a few people that know. It's kind of strange that they know back end stuff and even some ways to populate pages, but they're missing. There's holes in like the front end, like the basics, and so that's where this is filling in right a little bit. So that's good. Brian.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
My name's Brian. I'm honestly just taking this class for fun. I used to be really into like web design and stuff.
Yeah.
It was fun in middle school and stuff, so I thought I'd try it again.
Okay, cool. So. How many of you guys, when he said, I'm taking this class for fun, you went, what? How could this be fun? It is kind of fun, actually. It's kind of magic a little bit. It's not magic. All right, cool. Malachi. I don't see, I think maybe that they're not here. Okay. Is it Giasi or let me see, who's that?
Jassy.
Giasi?
Yes.
Okay.
You can call me Emily.
Emily.
Yes.
We'll see if I remember that.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Yeah, I'm Jassy. You guys can call me Emily. I'm a video editor, and I already got a job next year. But my new job requires me Yeah, they want me more like After Effects, motion graphic, and web design. I just think is great. The time to come back to school and learn something.
Yeah.
Just in case they might need me to use those skills. Yeah.
Sounds like they want you to do three people's jobs. It sounds like.
They were just asking, yeah, because they are
Yeah.
not 100% sure I need to use those skills.
Yeah.
But since they mentioned, I better just learn it, just in
Right.
case they need me to use it. Yeah.
Well, everything makes you more valuable, right? Yeah. All right. Is it Karunya?
Yeah, that's Karunya.
Oh, Karunya. Okay.
Hi. I'm an architect and I was just interested in graphic design and UI UX, so I thought I might as well learn some web design as well.
Okay. Cool. Lots of different skills. Everybody's got different skills. That's great. Mina. Oh, there's Mina. I see Mina. You're muted though, I think. Let's see. There you go.
Hi, this is Mina. I have some experience in web development, and I'm interested in web design and web design certificate. And I want to improve my skills.
Okay, cool. All right. And then Tam, is it Tam?
Yes, it's Tam.
And you're at Mission College right now. No, you're not. You're just in the back.
Yeah, so I'm working toward my associate in graphic design right now. I'm interested in UX and UI.
Okay, cool. And then Timothy. I don't oh, there you are. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So I've been interested in this web design. I took it back in high school, but then I felt like I didn't really learn everything in it.
You didn't take it with Brian, did you?
Hmm?
You didn't take it with Brian. Brian said he did the same thing, I think. It was a joke. Sorry. Okay, well, that sounds good. And then Galen. Where's Galen?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there you are. Okay.
Yeah, hey. I work as a graphic designer, and I'm just trying to expand my skill set. So maybe get into UX.
That goes on too, yeah. So there's a lot of graphic designers, or they'll get asked to do web stuff, and then vice versa too, right? And then you'll become this visual designer that has to do everything.
Unicorn.
Yeah, right. Unicorn, right. And then Christina.
Hi, I'm Christina. I'm taking this class because I want to make a career switch from, I've been working in education for the past 5 years, and I just wanted to try out graphic design and see if I like it. So kind of trying out a bunch of different things this semester. What I like. So.
Are you taking the being in graphic design too, or other classes, or?
Yeah, I'm taking that course. I'm taking Adobe Illustrator, and I'm taking page layout.
Okay, you'll be busy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, great. Well, thanks, guys. So one thing I didn't mention is, like I said, this class, if it was in person, it would be 5 hours a week, because it's a 2-hour lecture. It's a 2-unit lecture, 3-unit lab. So that would be like 2 hours-ish of lecture and 3 hours of lab. And then you would still have, little homework and reading and projects and stuff on top of that. So we're meeting for 2 hours a week. So the rest of that stuff is kind of on your own on the online part. Yeah, I think that's about it. Do you guys have any other final questions or anything? Sorry, again, I've talked so much today. I sometimes do that. I'll try not to. But,
Professor?
Yeah.
My name doesn't seem to be on the
oh, yeah, because you just added, right? Or you're adding now, I think, right?
Right, I just added this morning.
Yeah.
So my name is Yorick, and I'm doing a degree in computer science, and so this is part of the front end, which at first I thought our school didn't even offer front end classes at all, but then when I browsed around a bit through the classes, then I found that we do have front end classes, but they're all in the graphic design list instead of under the computer information systems classes, which is where all the other programming classes are listed. So
Right. Yeah,
decided
that's a good point. We should probably make that more discoverable, as they say in UX.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is a good point. So we have the two certificates. We have a web design and web developer. They're both being updated too this year, but it takes about a year to do. But so some of the classes are in art in this department, which is graphic design and multimedia, even though this is, yeah. And then some are in CIS, I believe, right? Or CIS, I think. So that could be a little confusing, but yeah, glad to have you. And yeah, anybody else have any other final questions? And like I said, I'm going to leave this meeting open if you guys want to talk with each other or anything, or ask me more questions. But I think that's about it for today. Wednesday, what we'll do is kind of go over some of those generic terms. We'll start looking at designs, talking about web conventions, some of the design stuff. We'll do all that on Wednesday together at the same time, same channel stuff. Okay.
Professor?
Yeah.
Earlier you showed a website where we can test what our pages look like on the mobile.
Yeah, that was in the browser actually. So let me share. Oh, I am sharing. So let me go here to, you guys can see that, right? I think. Let's go. Like here's the class webpage, right? If I inspect or just open the developer window, and then I go up here on the Chrome, it's on the top left. It's right there. So if I click on that button, it says toggle device toolbar, and then you'll see the page rendered as if it's a kind of an emulator. It's kind of simulating it. It's not obviously not really on a phone, but this is what it would look like in that environment. And then up at the top here, I can click on a number of things. I could pick different models of phones and things. So if I could say like, or an iPad, see what it looks like on an iPad. I can also mess with the resolution, which will come up later probably, but this is all kind of talking about responsive design, which we will talk about as well. So responsive design means you have one design, and I can actually show you another example real quick. You have one design that works for multiple devices. So back in the day, there used to be multiple sites for every site. Like there was a mobile site and a desktop site and that kind of thing. But then about 9 years ago, yeah, 2010 or 11, something like that, this idea of responsive design became popular. So this is a good example of it. This is the Boston Globe website, right? And if I look at it like this, it looks this way. And if I start to make it smaller, it goes from 4 columns. Here's a column, right? Goes from 4 columns to 3. And then it goes from 3 columns to 2. And then it goes from 2 columns to 1. So the idea is you have one web page that will work for different devices. So that's responsive design. That's a huge thing, and that when we do it in the class and some of the exercises that we do, you will see how to do that. But a lot of times it involves kind of what I just showed you, making images that will change size. You notice the images change size, and then the number of columns changes. That's 80% of it right there. So that happened about, yeah, like 10 years ago. And that's what that view is for in Chrome and Firefox. So if I inspect this and I go to open the, click on that button again, then I can see it here. And it actually shows breakpoints, which we'll get into later, but I can see what it looks like on different devices. Theoretically, it's a simulation. It's not exact, but so there's what it looks like on a phone. And then it even gives you a little, you see that little finger drag. You can drag it with your finger as you would on a phone. So it's really kind of valuable. And that same thing is in Firefox too. Same, basically the same. Yeah. Other questions about anything? No? Okay. So I'm gonna leave this this open, and I'm gonna stop the record since I barely recorded it anyway. I think I forgot to do that. And I'll stop the share. Should I walk away while you guys talk? I haven't tried this before, so somebody said it kind of works, so they're trying it. So I'm gonna try it with you guys. So I'm gonna go walk away for a minute, and then I'll come back, and then we'll see if anybody's still here. You don't have to stay though. We're done. So feel free to take off if you want. But if you guys want to talk amongst yourselves, go ahead. Let me stop this recording though.